First up, Zydus Lifesciences reports a remarkable 27% surge in net profits for Q3 FY24 and announces a buyback. As we've been tracking, this buyback news has been eagerly anticipated and is now officially in the pipeline. In other news, Hero Mato Corp Limited makes headlines by declaring an interim dividend of 75 rupees per equity share along with a special dividend of 25 rupees per share, commemorating the centennial year of Chairman Emeritus Brij Mohanlal Manjal. Additionally, the company's Q3 results reveal a staggering 51% increase in profit, driven by robust sales figures. Shifting gears, Hindustan Motors reports a significant turnaround, swinging from a net loss to a net profit of 11.22 rupees crore in the third quarter of FY24. On the flip side, SJVN sees a 51% decline in net profit for the December quarter, despite which the board of directors approves an interim dividend of 1.15 rupees per equity share for the financial year 2023 to 2024. Meanwhile, ITC Limited faces a downgrade to hold from buy by Jefferies after British American Tobacco, its largest shareholder, announces plans to divest a stake in the company. Jefferies also revises the stock's target price downwards, citing potential challenges ahead including taxation events and a slowdown in volume growth. Despite short-term challenges, the company's long-term value proposition remains compelling for astute investors seeking quality stocks at discounted prices. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited has approved the payment of an interim dividend of 4.50 rupees, with payment scheduled for the 5th of March. The record date for this dividend is set for the 15th of February 2024. Nestle India Limited has declared its third interim dividend of 7 rupees, also payable on or after the 5th of March. With the record date aligning on the 15th of February 2024. Aurobindo Pharma Limited is set to consider a proposal for the payment of its second interim dividend on the 10th of February, with a record date of the 20th of February 2024. Bonanza Limited has declared an interim dividend of 0.65 rupees. With the record date slated for the 15th of February 2024. National Aluminium Company Limited is set to consider its second interim dividend on the 13th of February, adding another layer of potential opportunity for investors in the commodities sector. Manappuram Finance Limited has declared an interim dividend of 0.90 rupees. With payment scheduled on or before the 7th of March, and the record date set for the 19th of February 2024. First Source Solutions Limited has declared an interim dividend of 3.50 rupees, with a record date of the 16th of February 2024. JK Paper Limited has approved the payment of an interim dividend of 3.50 rupees, with the record date set for the 16th of February 2024. Sula Vineyards Limited has intimated a corrected record date to receive interim dividends, to be considered on the 13th of February, with the record date set for the 21st of February 2024. RT Pharma Labs Limited has declared an interim dividend of 2 rupees, with the record date set for the 19th of February 2024. Shivalik Biometal Controls Limited has declared an interim dividend of 0.70 rupees on the 7th of February, with the record date set for the 16th of February 2024. Gujarat Themis Biosin Limited is set to consider the declaration of an interim dividend on the 10th of February, with the record dates to be decided later. CRISIL Limited is set to recommend a final dividend on the 16th of February. Centum Electronics Limited has declared an interim dividend of 3 rupees, with payment scheduled on or before the 7th of March, and the record date set for the 20th of February 2024. Viti Specialty Food Ingredients Limited has declared an interim dividend of 0.60 rupees, with the record date set for the 16th of February 2024. Cantabel Retail India Limited has declared an interim dividend of 0.40 rupees, with the record date set for the 23rd of February 2024. John Cockerill India Limited has recommended a final dividend of 7 rupees. Asm Technologies Limited is set to consider an interim dividend on the 14th of February. Southwest Pinnacle Exploration Limited is also set to consider an interim dividend on the 14th of February. Cummins India Limited has approved and declared an interim dividend of 18 rupees, with the record date set for the 21st of February 2024. Canara Bank is seeking in principle approval from the Board of Directors for the subdivision of equity shares. Spraking Agro Equipment Limited is set to consider the subdivision of equity shares on the 26th of February. Fresh Drop Fruits Limited is set to consider a proposal for buyback on the 12th of February. Steel Exchange India Limited is set to consider a proposal for the issue of equity shares on a rights basis on the 14th of February. Shri Ganesh Remedies Limited has revised the record date for its rights issue and call money payment period, now set from the 13th to the 26th of February, with the record date set for the 9th of February 2024. Modern Engineering and Projects Limited is set to consider a proposal for equity shares on a rights basis on the 13th of February. That wraps up today's financial updates. Stay tuned for more news and analysis. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for the latest content. Until next time, take care and happy investing. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like, subscribe, press the bell icon and never miss an update. Share and comment your thoughts on the comment section. And stay tuned with Corporate Actions India.